Have you ever imagined having a natural pharmacy in your own backyard? Hello, I am Nicole Apelian, herbalist, biologist, mother, and survival skills instructor. Let me share how you can transform your backyard into a source of health and well-being. At 29, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, a debilitating autoimmune disease. Traditional treatments didn't work for me, and I was in constant agony. It was then that I began seeking healing in nature, learning from one of the oldest cultures in the world, the San Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert. And it was from this journey that the Medicinal Garden Kit was born. A set of 10 hand-picked medicinal plants that you can grow in your own backyard. These plants not only beautify your garden, but also offer a complete arsenal of natural remedies. Imagine having chicory for joint pain relief, yarrow to heal wounds, California poppy for deep sleep, and marshmallow for a healthy digestive system. All this and more is within your reach with our kit. Since I started using natural remedies, my life has completely changed. I went from a wheelchair to living fully, and I participated in the show alone, surviving 57 days in the wild. These plants not only changed my life, but they can change yours too. Each kit comes with seeds of 10 premium quality medicinal plants, plus a free herbal medicine guide. This detailed guide teaches you how to turn each plant into effective remedies, tinctures, salves, teas, and more. And now it's your turn to take control of your health. Cultivate, harvest, and heal with the Medicinal Garden Kit. Click the link below to secure your kit and start your journey to a healthier and more natural life. Join me and thousands of others who have discovered the healing powers of nature. Click the link now and transform your backyard into the natural pharmacy you deserve. Thank you for watching this video, and don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today.